Hello again, this is Charles Evans from Next Dimension Web Design Studios, and today we're supposed to be giving you an update as to where we stand with the project for Unique12000.net. We've actually come into a little snafu, and we'd like to discuss that here today. Before you see a change request form or change order request form explaining the issues that we've had in getting our affiliate network portion of our project online. What we've come to find out is that through the documentation from our affiliate networks, it actually requires a little bit more detail that we anticipated initially to get the project going and to meet our alpha test date, which was actually supposed to be today. One of the problems that we've encountered while we were going through the research with our affiliate networks is that not only do you have to apply for the affiliate network partnership piece of the program, there are some other details that we need to contact their customer representatives to get more clarification on. And so we've attempted to reach out to them with no success today. And so here we stand at a point where we were supposed to present our alpha to you and cannot do so at this time due to those shortcomings. So we are going to continue to push forward and try to get that done. As you can see, that this will be a delay in the process, but not too far along. We anticipate about the next 72 hours or so to have this issue resolved. Once we get a hold of their customer representative folks or customer representative department and see what it is that we can do to get this process moving along smoothly. So we do apologize for the fact of the delay and the late notice in the delay, because we really did not anticipate that type of problem. And as we continue to try to work through it and push through it, we saw that it's going to take more time than we anticipated, and hence the change order request. So once again, we apologize for that at this time. We are going to continue to try to reach out to their customer service departments to explain and give us a walkthrough on how this process is going to be done. I'm sure this is not the first time that they've had this issue. The documentation on this is a little bit sketchy, so we want to try to get someone on the phone so we can actually understand the process a lot better. So this is where we stand on the downside. On the upside, we've noticed that both our affiliate networks actually offer XML formats, as well as a couple of others. We believe that the XML format is going to work fine for us, and so that's the avenue that we intend on pursuing. So once we get through the customer reps, get an idea of how this is supposed to go properly, we will get the XML form of their data feeds and put them into our database, which leads us to the next issue of the database itself. Seeing that we did not anticipate the problems we just mentioned earlier, the database is going to have to be expanded to differentiate not only between the customers, or correction, it's going to help us differentiate not only between the affiliate marketing programs that we have, but also each vendor or each merchant, or as they say, each publisher that they have available. We're going to have to striate between each of those, because from what I've been able to see so far is that once you get a feed, it's per client or per publisher. Their entire catalog is in that one XML form. So we're going to have to look at that a little bit further and see how we can dig into the weeds per se, get the appropriate data we need as for the directory page or for the categories page, in order to make that process a little bit smoother, a little bit cleaner, and awfully less intrusive on the user themselves. So that's going to be another layer of complexity that we're going to try to work out within the next 72 hours as well. So that being said, that's all we have for right now. We do apologize for the delay. We'll be confident that we are working diligently on getting this thing resolved and getting our alpha test up and running for you to see in the near future. So I'm available for any questions. Thank you very much for your time. Once again, our apologies for the delay, and we will talk to you soon.